Okay, descending 14,000 or at or above 14,000 to Moss, and then we're clear for the ILS Zulu runway 19 approach. Tower is 1807. And ground, which is probably not going to be relevant, but 2455. We got information. Juliet. Ceiling is broken 9,000, and the winds are calm. And yeah, even when you look at the camera for flight, it shows
Center Oscar 568, 350.
very nice weather.
568, Center Oscar.
How are your rides at for Oscar 568?
Oscar 568, out ahead.
In the notes, we do have R91 GPS required. Radar required for procedure entry to Moss. Course, cold temperature opposite direction. Not relevant. VGSI and ILS glide path not coincident. And that's about it.
Contact Center 124.35.
2435 for Flex Jet 503, have a nice day.
And we got the ghost needles.
Copy that. I'll give you the engine anti-ice.
Southwest 50, 28, descent pilot discretion 16,000. The Cody altimeter 29993.
Descent pilot discretion 16,000. Southwest 50, 28.
Southwest 50, 28. Additionally, there's pockets of moderate precipitation beginning 12 o'clock, 15 miles. Extends.
This is only my third time in Jackson Hole.
Southwest 50, 28.
I got some great pictures on the ramp on the first time I came in here. Yeah, that's pretty.
You could still go snowboarding in May.
Oh yeah, for sure.
You can afford it.
With the bears.
32 for level 360.
Korean Air 032, Solid Center, welcome.
And, you can go ahead and use full reversers on the landing because our ground speed is going to be, our 2-hour speed is going to be higher than usual, and our ground speed is going to be higher than usual.
Thank you.
And the runway is not that long for this altitude.
Roger. Still 2985.
2985. And the rest of transition is complete. And we'll do the 10,000 checks at 15,000.
I'll slow us down a little bit for the bumpiness.
Sure. That might be just a tad too cold for a wing MTS, but, and of course I'm wrong.
Nice, there you go. Didn't even finish your sentence.
Yeah. That's experience right there. Ooh, nice.
Skywest 5131, roger, thanks.
Okay, 15,000. Belts are on, crew belts are on, APU on the ground, And left, right, hydraulic pumps are auto, avionics are set. You know, I'll turn on the APU on the long final because the taxi is going to be very, very short.
Okay.
We'll just swap the blades on the ground, I guess. Damn.
Slowing to 230.
Copy that. There's quite a lot of rain from this cloud. You can really see it. It's nice.
Here you go, I'm dodging it for you.
Thank you. Okay, wing anti-ice is coming off, and engine anti-ice is also coming off.
AirPod 5, contact Jacksonville Tower 118.07.
1807, AirPod 5, thanks. Good door. Jackson Hole Tower, AirPod 5, just crossed Denor on the ILS Zulu on wind 19er.
AirPod 5, Jackson Tower, report Wyoming.
Say again, you were broken, AirPod 5?
AirPod 5, report Wyoming.
Port, AirPod 5 will report Warmu on the approach.
That's when I'll hit approach.
Sounds good.
Slowing to 10.
Copy.
Opa. After Zusu, we'll start slowing down.
Sure. Field in sight.
Okay. We slow it down, we can do flaps 10.
Sure.
American 1923, are you ready to go at the end? American 1923, Jackson Tower, runway 19, clear takeoff. 19, clear for takeoff, American 1923.
Going 20?
Yeah, this is 20.
Alright, you got 20. Watch out for the wiggle. No wiggle with 350, I guess.
Okay, I'll take landing gear down.
Landing gear coming down. AirPod 5 at Wyoming.
AirPod 5, traffic departing prior to arrival, Airbus runway 19 clear to land.
19 clear to land, AirPod 5. It's a one.
Flick the lights, so we know.
Lights are on, and yeah, it's Warm-roo, not Warm-roo.
Okay, approach.
Copy.
Localizer.
I see it.
You see the runway puppy on the right?
Yes, sir.
I'll take flaps 30 and before landing checklist.
Flaps full.
American 1923, contact select center.
Over to center, American 1923, have a good one.
We got gear down, 3 greens, flaps full.
Check.
We got all the lights are on, and we do have landing clearance before landing checklist complete.
Thank you. Light slope.
You know, the mountain waves, even though it's calm winds. That's a really nice lake. Or, yeah, not lake, river. And the missed approach is 14,000.
Correct. Out.
Approaching minimum.
Approaching 19.
Minimums.
Ready to land.
Copy.
$500.
Getting some power.
Bird left side clear.
Power down.
Yeah, you're good.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20.
Tower
10.
up.
Okay, spoilers out. Reverser's green, 3,000 feet to go. 100 knots.
Again. Tower operations. Ops, go ahead.
2,000
Be
feet
advised, we
remaining.
updated some NOTAMs
Your
regarding
my
Bravo
airplane?
closure. Bravo and Bravo 1 are closed. Bravo 2 is open.
1,000 remaining.
Roger.
Go left Alpha 1.
AirPod 5, turn left Alpha 1 to contact
500
ground.
remaining.
Alpha 1, then ground, pod 5.
You're right, I didn't turn on the APU, that's my bad.
735, jet ready to go 19.
100 feet
Jet
remaining.
735, Victor Juliet, Jackson Tower, only 19 clear takeoff.
Calm.
19 clear takeoff, man.
Ground, AirPod 5 at Alpha 1 to the FBO.
AirPod 5, Jackson ground, taxi parking via Alpha. Parking via Alpha, pass 5.
There's a guy. Yeah, after landing. Left side's clear.
Your guy.
Yeah, it's a quiet day today. Taxi lights off, please.
Yes, is off. Lefts and lights.
And I've sourced 3 times.
After landing's complete.
Thank you. Alright, you got 40 seconds to go.